For families with loved ones in nursing homes, restrictions have kept them apart this last year. But that could soon change. Good evening, I'm Cynthia Arsenault.
And I'm Jillian Corder. We've seen the only contact some have had with nursing home patients is online chatting or even visits by the window. But KPLC's Rania Kaur tells us about the newest regulations and what it means for those patients.
Under new guidelines, residents can even hug their loved ones if they and the facility meet specific requirements. Outdoor visits are still the preferred method of contact under the newest guidelines from the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, or CMS. But as of Friday, they are allowing residents to meet with their loved ones indoors if they meet certain criteria and if there isn't a single COVID case at the facility. Indoor visitation is not allowed in parishes with positivity rates higher than 10% or if the vaccination rate is less than 70%. For the very first time since the pandemic started more than a year ago, the guidance allows a resident to hug their loved ones if that resident has been fully vaccinated for at least 2 weeks. At the Verandah in Lake Charles, Executive Director Leslie Bondere says they're observing CDC and CMS guidelines to protect their independent living residents.
We tried to allow just 1 or 2 visitors at a time. We're still encouraging that, but we're not totally shutting it down. I mean, it takes more than 1 or 2 people to move you into the veranda.
And now that a majority of their residents have gotten at least 1 dose of the vaccine, they are allowing them to mingle once again. Something resident Nancy Hanchy says lifts their spirits despite being away from loved ones.
Being in the dining room has been a really big milestone. We're so happy to be together that we're not complaining.
The Verandah has yet to open their memory care and assisted living facilities. When they do, Bondere says they will be under even stricter guidelines, which you can read about on our website. Live in Lake Charles, Rania Kaur, KPLC 7 News.